The Philadelphia locksmiths offer various services to its customers depending upon their specific requirements. The services that the company offers are automotive and residential services. The reinstallation of locks, repairing of the locks and making new keys is the basic services that the company offers. Alarm services. These are some of the most sophisticated services that our locksmiths offers. Automated entry locks, CCTV alarm locks, etc. are some of the basic products that the company provides to its customers. Keyless entry systems. The documentation work at commercial buildings entries is one of the most basic services that our locksmiths offers. Intercom facilities. These services are available for apartments and big residential buildings. The intercom services allow the security firms to check the entry of unauthorized entrants. Commercial security services. Our locksmith service offer these services, owing to the enormous pressure on the commercial locks. The hardware and other components of the locks are such that it is not very easy to break or to alter their configuration. Automobile locks. The automobile locking system is something that not many companies deal with, along with their dominance in the other sector. Ignition locks, door locks, button locks, etc. are the different areas of working for the company. To learn more about us, go to our website www.247philadelphialocksmith.com.